Having looked at enthalpies of solution and hydration, here are three questions for us to have a go at to see how we're getting on. So, question 1, 2, and 3, all slightly different. As usual, we will. You can pause the video here, or you can download this, and then you can have the questions on paper and give yourself a few minutes to have a go, and then we'll go through each question one by one. So here we go. Answers are coming up now. So question 1, we're going to calculate the enthalpy of hydration of the bromide ions, and we've been given the enthalpy of hydration for barium, lattice enthalpy for barium bromide, and also enthalpy of solution. Notice enthalpy of solution for barium bromide is negative, and therefore this is that would be exothermic. So we can pop that on our diagram as I've done there. And you just need to remember that, of course, we've got two bromide ions, so we need to remember we're going to have to use 2 times the standard enthalpy of hydration for bromide. So we can now substitute those for the values that have been given to us in the question, and then we can pop that into our equation. So the enthalpy of solution is equal to the hydration enthalpies minus the lattice enthalpy. We pop those numbers in as on the diagram, and we're going to rearrange that to give us the value for 2 enthalpies of hydration for bromide ions. So that gives us the enthalpy of hydration of bromide ions being minus 307.5 kilojoules per mole. So question 2. So here's our diagram, and we need to find the lattice enthalpy. We've been given the our enthalpy of hydration of iodide and a solution of calcium iodide and hydration of calcium ions. So as before, we can pop those figures in that they've given us into the question, and then remember the equation, put the numbers in the equation, so nice and easy, and rearrange that until we get our lattice enthalpy as being minus 2,116 kilojoules per mole. 3. We're now going to calculate the enthalpy of solution of ammonium chloride. So as before, here's our enthalpy diagram, and we can substitute the values in the question as so, and then we are going to put those into the equation, and we will rearrange that to give us our enthalpy of solution as being minus 25 kilojoules per mole. So hopefully you found those 3 examples helpful in just applying Hess cycle to hydration, solution, and lattice enthalpy questions.